Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to cut my own hair and the reason I decided to cut my hair. So I've been natural since 2010, and since then I have cut my hair for about 3 times. This will be, I think, the fourth time, and so I decided to do it myself because there are other times that I did cut my hair. I took it to the salon, like to the barber, and he didn't do the way I wanted it to be done. So I decided this time I'm just going to cut it myself, since I've been cutting my own kids' hair. My boys, I have 2 boys, and I cut their hair myself. So I decided to just take a chance and cut my own hair. What can go wrong? If I don't like it, I can always go back to the barber and get it fixed. If not, I just have to deal with it like that. So I decided that Saturday morning that I'm going to be cutting my hair. I'm using the clipper that I usually use for my kids. So I took the number, I believe this was the number 4 mouth on that clipper, and I just went ahead and cut around my hair. Before I did that, as you saw before, I did section the part that I did wanted it to be that short out, and I put it in a bun. Then I just went ahead with the number 4, or I think it was the number 3, to cut around the other part. So I just wanted to have an even surface to work with at the back, and that is what I did. Guys, this was not hard for me at all. If you have never cut hair before, I will really advise you to take your hair to the barber or salon and get your hair cut professionally. But you know what, I've been cutting my own kids hair, and I don't mind um, cutting my own hair. If I mess it up, I'm not really worried about it. But if you're going to be worried, or you think that you can't do the kind of job that you want, it will bother you, let me just put it that way, please take your hair to the barber or take your hair to the salon. So I went ahead and I switched the mouth of the clipper. I think this was a number 2 of the clipper, and I just went ahead to shave around it. So I didn't, if you can see properly, I didn't really, if you can see, I didn't really go all the way I did it first. I just cut around it to the back and both sides, just to level, to make that part a little bit lower than the middle one. You guys are going to see it came out nice. I was happy with it, even though it wasn't 100%, because the upper part, the back, wasn't cut properly. But you guys are going to see what I was talking about. And I'm also thinking maybe I should start putting relaxing. I should relax my hair. I'm not sure if I want to relax it. I haven't relaxed my hair in a very long time. I have put texturizer, but I haven't relaxed my hair in a very long time. Since 2010, I haven't had any relaxer on my hair. So as you can see, guys, this was not looking nice. I wasn't really happy, so I just keep going, trimming the hair to my taste. As you can see at the front of my hair, I went ahead and took the number 1, just to trim that even more, like to give it that what is it called, I don't know, I don't know the term for it, just to give it a little bit where it starts low and it starts going up. And I went ahead to trim my edges little by little. Guys, this part you want to be very careful with. If you don't know how to do this part, you can just leave it and take it to the salon, and they will be able to shape your uh, hair around. And but I just went ahead and did it anyway. And as you can see, guys, my hair is not growing the way I really want it to grow. I've been natural for, as I said, since 2010. I haven't relaxed my hair since 2010. I've been trying to maintain my hair, but all the hair product, I think mine is just genetic. There's nothing I can put on this hair that will make it grow more than a certain length. Whenever it goes to a certain length, it just keep breaking up. So like it just keep breaking. So I don't, I for right now, I've made up my mind. I don't believe my hair will grow longer than, I don't know, a certain length. So, I still went ahead. I wanted to shape in that more, so I went ahead to section a part out, like to section. When I say short, like the way where I want my pattern to be, I just went ahead to separate the hair, and I went ahead with the clipper to shaping that up just to make sure that you can actually see that. I did mess up with this part, but you know what? It wasn't. It grew back very quickly. I have to say, it grew back within 2 weeks, and everything was back to like regular. Next time, if I'm going to go, if I'm going to cut my hair, I'm going to take it to the barber, and I'm going to show them the picture that I want, and I hope that they will actually give me the hairstyle that like that at least something similar to what I had in my head. So guys, this is, I just want you guys to watch to the end. I want to say thank you so much guys if you have been coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate all your support. If you have been leaving comments, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That means a lot to me. I do read all your comments. Even though if I may not reply, I do read them. Sometimes I'm just too busy. I usually give a like or a heart for you guys to know that I have read them and I've seen them, and it really means a lot to me, and it's helped my channel grow more, and I know what you guys like, what you guys don't like. There will be more week video coming up, but now I'm planning to do more week video, but it takes so much time to create. So I'm going to, especially this fall and winter, I'm going to be doing more braids and curl wig for you guys, so that you can just like, you know what, do your own hair and make your own wig. So I just went ahead and cut and trim the hair at the top. I wanted it lower than that, but I didn't want it to mess it up at all. And to cut it even, you know, I didn't want it to mess this place up, this one out, because you know what, if I cut this low, there's no way I can like get it back. I just cut a little bit. I just trimmed the top, and that is what I did. Guys, I also have a question. I do notice that I have about 27,000 subscribers. We are heading to 28,000, and I only get like 5, 4, 3, like my views are really low. So let me just put it that way. I would really love to know why you guys are subscribed to me. What made you subscribe to my channel? Leave a comment down below, and I would really want to know where my subscribers are from, and I'm going to be very happy to see where you guys are from and have more of a relationship with you guys, if I can say that. Like we can also connect on Instagram. Please guys, follow me on Instagram, check on my Instagram page, share my videos with your friends and family, post it on your Facebook page, and comment, like, and also share some of your ideas, share some of the things that you could have, that I could have done better, or that you would love me to do, and I'll be happy to read them. And guys, it's back to school. I haven't been posting that much because it has been so busy. I am planning to post more guys. I really want to post more, but it's really busy right now, especially at the beginning of the school year. But I'm going to be posting more soon guys, and I hope you guys love this video. I hope you like the hairstyle. Please leave a comment down below. Do you think I should relax my hair? Do you think it will make this hair look even better on me? Or do you even think that this hair looks good on me? Or I should have just leave my hair the way it was? So this was about a month and a half since I cut my hair, and as you can see, the side is growing back pretty well, and it's, I think the more I cut my hair, the faster it gets. So thank you so much for watching guys. I really appreciate you guys watching this. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.